From the unforgiving sands of Baja to the challenging trails across the globe, the Ford Raptor isn't merely a pickup, it's a declaration of engineering excellence. It represents a relentless pursuit of performance, pushing the boundaries of what a production truck can achieve. Today, we're pulling back the curtain, taking you deep inside the Ford factory where this titan is forged. We'll uncover the processes, the innovations, and the sheer human will that transform raw materials into an icon of capability. This journey isn't just about manufacturing, it's about vision actualized, proving that with unwavering focus, the impossible becomes the standard. The Raptor's journey begins long before metal meets metal, rooted in a design philosophy demanding uncompromising off-road prowess. Ford engineers didn't just build a truck, they engineered a desert racer for the road. Every curve, every clearance, every structural decision is informed by the brutal realities of high-speed off-road traversal. This isn't about aesthetics alone, it's about purpose-driven form that delivers function under extreme pressure. It's a testament to how a clear, ambitious vision can drive an entire manufacturing process, inspiring an outcome that transcends the conventional and defines a new category. The foundation of the Raptor's legendary toughness lies in its frame, a unique high-strength steel alloy structure built to withstand unimaginable forces. Unlike its F-150 brethren, the Raptor's frame features specialized reinforcements at 14 key stress points, enhancing its torsional rigidity by a staggering 20%. This isn't just about adding more steel, it's about strategic engineering and advanced metallurgy, creating a backbone capable of absorbing massive impacts and flexing precisely when needed. It demonstrates Ford's commitment to building from the ground up, ensuring every Raptor possesses an inherent strength that will never yield. Achieving agility without sacrificing strength is a triumph of modern material science, perfectly embodied in the Raptor's body construction. Utilizing military-grade 6000 series aluminum alloy, engineers drastically reduced overall weight while maintaining superior impact resistance. This meticulous process involves advanced stamping, precision welding, and aerospace-grade bonding techniques. It's a testament to innovation, moving beyond conventional steel to forge a lighter, yet more formidable, exterior. This strategic material choice allows the Raptor to accelerate faster, brake more efficiently, and navigate treacherous terrain with unparalleled nimbleness, inspiring us to rethink limits. At the core of the Raptor's ferocity lies its meticulously crafted 3.5L EcoBoost high-output V6 engine, a marvel of modern powertrain engineering. This twin-turbocharged beast delivers a formidable 450 horsepower and 510 lb-ft of torque, specifically tuned for instant, low-end grunt crucial for off-road dominance. Each engine undergoes rigorous assembly and quality checks, ensuring every component contributes to its explosive performance. It's a perfect blend of efficiency and raw power, demonstrating that even a V6 can outperform expectations, fueling the Raptor's reputation as a high-performance machine ready to conquer any challenge. The Raptor's power is nothing without seamless delivery, and this is where its advanced 10-speed automatic transmission and sophisticated drivetrain truly shine. Engineered for rapid shifts and optimal power distribution across challenging terrains, this system ensures every ounce of torque reaches the ground effectively. The meticulous integration of the transfer case, differentials, and drive shafts guarantees maximum traction and control, adapting instantaneously to changing conditions. This precision engineering exemplifies how complex systems can be harmonized to create an intuitive and responsive driving experience, empowering the driver to tackle any obstacle with confidence. The heart of the Raptor's off-road dominance is its Fox-Liv valve internal bypass shock system, a pinnacle of intelligent damping technology. These massive 3.1-inch diameter shocks don't just absorb bumps, they actively adapt, adjusting damping forces up to 500 times per second based on terrain and driver input. This immediate responsiveness translates to unparalleled control and comfort across brutal landscapes. It's a game-changer, demonstrating that suspension technology can move beyond passive absorption to active, predictive performance, granting drivers the confidence to push harder and experience more. This level of sophistication redefines off-road capability. The proof of the Raptor's suspension prowess lies in its remarkable wheel travel, over 14 inches in the front and an astonishing 15 inches in the rear. This extensive articulation allows the wheels to maintain contact with the ground even over extreme undulations, ensuring maximum traction and stability where lesser trucks falter. This capability isn't accidental, it's the result of countless hours of engineering, design iteration, and real-world testing. It empowers drivers to navigate seemingly impassable terrain with grace and control, transforming challenging landscapes into exhilarating playgrounds. It's a direct reflection of what dedicated engineering can achieve. The Raptor's connection to the terrain is crucial, making its wheel and tire system a critical component of its off-road dominance. Available 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels ensure the tires stay securely seated even at extremely low pressures, maximizing grip in soft sand or over rocky terrain. Paired with specially designed 35-inch, or optional 37-inch, all-terrain tires, this combination provides an expansive contact patch and robust sidewalls, resisting punctures and enhancing flotation. It's a system meticulously engineered for resilience and performance, proving that the right components, working in harmony, unlock true potential and allow drivers to overcome any ground. Step inside the Raptor, and you find an environment where rugged utility converges with sophisticated control. Every detail, from the supportive Recaro seats to the intuitively placed off-road controls, is designed to enhance the driver's experience and confidence. High-quality, durable materials are chosen not just for comfort but for their ability to withstand the rigors of adventure. The advanced SINC4 infotainment system and digital gauge cluster provide vital information at a glance, allowing the driver to stay focused on the path ahead. This interior embodies resilience, proving that extreme capability can coexist with intelligent design and refined comfort. At the Michigan assembly plant, the manufacturing of the Ford Raptor is a symphony of human skill and robotic precision. Over 600 advanced robots execute critical tasks, from welding chassis components with sub-millimeter accuracy to applying sealants and paints with flawless consistency. These automated systems dramatically enhance efficiency, repeatability, and safety, ensuring every Raptor meets exacting specifications. Yet, they don't replace human ingenuity, instead, they elevate it, allowing our skilled technicians to focus on complex assembly and critical quality checks. This harmonious blend of technology and human expertise pushes the boundaries of modern manufacturing, creating a product of unparalleled quality. While robots lay the groundwork, the human touch remains indispensable for the Raptor's superior quality. Highly skilled technicians perform over 300 individual quality checkpoints along the assembly line, scrutinizing every weld, every panel gap, and every electronic connection. Their experienced eyes and hands catch imperfections that machines might miss, ensuring that each Raptor leaves the factory as a perfect specimen. This blend of automated efficiency and meticulous human inspection creates an environment of uncompromising quality, reminding us that even in the age of advanced robotics, human discernment and dedication are paramount. It's a testament to the power of human expertise. A vehicle built for extreme conditions demands an equally robust finish. The Raptor's paint process is a multi-stage marvel, designed not just for aesthetics but for enduring protection against corrosion, scratches, and harsh environmental elements. After meticulous surface preparation, vehicles undergo an electrocoating, e-coat, for fundamental corrosion resistance, followed by primer, several layers of base coat for color, and a final clear coat for gloss and UV protection. This 4 to 6 layer system ensures that the Raptor's exterior is as tough as its internal components, inspiring confidence that it will retain its formidable appearance through countless adventures. To validate its built Ford tough promise, the Raptor isn't just simulated, it's brutalized. Ford engineers subject prototypes to a grueling, simulated 1,000-mile Baja off-road race, a process repeated over 100 times. This relentless testing pushes every component to its absolute breaking point, revealing weaknesses and refining strengths in the most unforgiving real-world scenarios. It's a philosophy that believes true resilience is only proven under duress, ensuring that when a Raptor leaves the factory, it has already conquered challenges far beyond what most owners will ever encounter. This commitment to extreme validation ensures a truck that truly lives up to its name. Beyond the high-speed desert runs, the Raptor endures a battery of durability and longevity tests designed to mimic decades of use. This includes subjecting vehicles to extreme temperature cycles, from a chilling -40 degrees Fahrenheit to a scorching 130 degrees Fahrenheit, simulating diverse global climates. Additionally, cumulative off-road test miles exceed 1 million, pushing the entire ecosystem of components through continuous cycles of stress and recovery. This exhaustive validation ensures that every Raptor is engineered not just for exhilarating performance, but for years of reliable, steadfast service, inspiring confidence that it will continue to deliver long after it leaves the assembly line. The modern Raptor is not just a mechanical beast, it's a smart beast, powered by sophisticated software and advanced electronics. Its terrain management system offers multiple drive modes, optimizing engine, transmission, steering, and suspension settings for specific conditions, from rock crawling to high-speed desert running. Over-the-air updates ensure its systems remain cutting-edge, continuously improving performance and adding features. This intelligent integration of hardware and software makes the Raptor incredibly adaptable and responsive, demonstrating how technology can amplify physical prowess, allowing drivers to unlock new levels of capability and confidence on any adventure. As all the meticulously engineered components converge, the final assembly line transforms individual parts into a cohesive, formidable machine. This stage is a testament to orchestration and precision, where engine, drivetrain, suspension, and body unite. Each Raptor undergoes a series of dynamic tests, including wheel alignment, brake performance checks, and advanced driver assistance system calibrations, before a final rigorous audit. It's the moment where hundreds of thousands of individual parts, thousands of hours of design, and countless quality checks culminate, producing a truck that is truly greater than the sum of its parts. This is where a legend is born. The Ford Raptor stands as a powerful testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of peak performance. From its purpose-built frame to its intelligent suspension, every element is a challenge met, an obstacle overcome. It's a symbol of what we can achieve when we dare to imagine beyond the conventional and commit to building with unwavering dedication. The Raptor isn't just a vehicle that conquers terrain, it inspires us to conquer our own limits, to push further, and to explore the unexplored. Its legacy is a perpetual reminder that with vision, precision, and a fierce spirit, anything is possible.